Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a device that promises to revolutionize how one approaches organization, the NIIMBOT B21 label maker. This isn't just any label maker. It's a compact powerhouse designed for efficiency and convenience, making it an indispensable tool for various settings. Right out of the box, the NIIMBOT B21 impresses with its sleek design and robust build. Its primary appeal lies in its seamless connectivity. Utilizing Bluetooth technology, this label maker pairs effortlessly with a smartphone or tablet, transforming the device into a command center for all labeling needs. The setup process is remarkably straightforward, allowing users to dive into label creation almost instantly. What truly sets the B21 apart is its thermal printing technology. This means no more worrying about ink cartridges or toner. The device prints crisp, clear labels purely through heat, which is not only cost-effective in the long run but also incredibly convenient. The labels produced are durable and resistant to smudging, ensuring that important information remains legible for extended periods. The versatility of the NIIMBOT B21 is further enhanced by the included label paper. It comes with both 50x30 and 50x15 sizes, catering to a wide array of labeling tasks. Whether one needs small, discrete labels for spice jars or larger, more prominent ones for storage bins or office files, these sizes offer excellent flexibility. The ability to switch between different label types and sizes within the accompanying app is a significant advantage, allowing for customized solutions for every organizational challenge. Operating the NIIMBOT B21 is an intuitive experience. Through its dedicated application, users can design labels with a variety of fonts, icons, and even barcodes. The app provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the creation process, from basic text labels to more complex designs. Once a design is finalized, a simple tap sends it to the label maker, which then prints it out quickly and quietly. The precision of the cuts and the quality of the print are consistently high, reflecting the device's premium engineering. For anyone looking to bring order to their home, streamline office tasks, or even enhance a small business's packaging, the NIIMBOT B21 presents an exceptional solution. Its portability means it can be easily moved from one room to another, or even taken on the go, making it a truly versatile companion. The absence of wires, thanks to Bluetooth, adds to its clean aesthetic and ease of placement. In essence, the NIIMBOT B21 label maker is more than just a gadget. It's an investment in efficiency and clarity. Its combination of thermal printing, Bluetooth connectivity, and versatile label options makes it a standout product in its category. It simplifies the often tedious task of labeling, turning it into a quick, enjoyable, and highly effective process. This device truly empowers users to achieve a new level of organization with minimal effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.